Good morning to all of you. बोलिए very sweet good morning.
Very sweet good morning.
Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
बोला I am fine.
I am fine.
Right? If you want to speak nice English, you should do regular practice because practice makes perfect. And it is also regarded कि English is the future passport that can carry to you anywhere in the world wherever you want to go in your life, right? So one by one would come here and you speak your intro, your hobbies, strong point, weak points, because all these things they are asked in the interview. सारी चीज़ें इंटरव्यू में पूछी जाती हैं. And after that they will ask you the questions. Yeah, I will ask you the questions and you will give the answer. So Sanjay, first you come on now. Speak your intro. Why standing over here? Now Sanjay has come and Sanjay is going to speak. So make a pin drop silence and listen very carefully what he is going to speak right now. Start there.
A very sweet good morning to all of you and respected
थोड़ा
sir.
सा पास रख लो. Yes.
A very sweet good morning to all of you and respected sir. My name is Sanjay Patel. My father name is Mr. Harinder Singh. My mother name is Mrs. Radha Devi. I belong to Bareilly village Thainpur. I complete my 12th standard and at this time I am learning language in Syndicate Academy under the guidance of R.P. Angbar sir. After learning language I want to make my career in government sector because this sector is very fixed and permanent
थोड़ा पास
sector.
रख लो इसको.
And fixed salary every month. If by chance I could not get a job in government sector, then I would like to go private sector because the private sector very big and wide sector and money is flying the air. And my hobbies are playing volleyball and football, and my strong point is always ready to learn and positive thinking, and my weak point is negative thinking and overconfidence, and my ambitions are sitting in a government sector as a stenographer. Thank you.
Yes, now would like to ask any question you can ask. कि what's your future planning?
What's your future plan?
My future planning is I want to sit in any central government office.
Yes. In Shibushi, after 5 years,
After 5 years,
what you would be doing?
what you would be doing?
Give answer of this
Af-
question. Yes.
After 5 years, I want to doing
I would be doing.
I would be doing any central government office, and I am working over there because at this time I am work hard and I am fully focused towards my study, and I am fully devoted, dedicated, complete towards my study. So after 5 years, I would sitting in any government sector.
Next question you can ask कि where are you
Where are you?
grooming your personality?
Grooming your personality.
Where are you grooming your personality? You can speak in a detail.
I am grooming my personality in my coaching, because
Syndicate Academy
Syn-
of English Language.
Syndicate Academy of English Language because I am fully
Devoted,
dedicated
and committed towards
my
study. Because study is the foundation
of
बोलिए study is the foundation of
life,
your career.
your career.
Next question you ask, how much salary are you expecting?
How much salary are you expecting?
I am expecting my salary approx 50,000.
Yes, you are right. I am expecting salary 50,000 per month. Right? Our next question you ask, where are you living right now?
Where are you living right now?
Right now I am living in Bareilly city.
Yes, right now I am living in Bareilly city. इनसे पूछिए, how are you
How are you?
removing your weak points?
Removing your weak point.
I am removing my weak points in my coaching because I am regular learning good thoughts, good ideas, and many other things. So this weekend I am removing my weak point in my coaching.
Yes. इनसे पूछिए, can you speak about books are our best friends? Books are our best guiders, motivators. Can you speak on this word?
Yes, sir. Books are our best friend and well-wishers of your life because books can give advice and good knowledge, and people are gaining good knowledge from books, from magazine, and from good teachers. So books are our best friend for our life.
Okay, thank you very much. You have spoken very nice, and you can go now and sit over there. Now, next, English is very useful language and very time-demanding language, because if you want to get success in your life, you will have to learn English language, because English language is a professional language. English language is a technical language. English language is a global language. If you are expert in speaking English, you can present whatever you have in your heart, in your mind, anywhere. And that's why it is must you should groom your personality in English. You should learn English. And mostly people who are cheered का मतलब है जो विराजमान हैं. The mostly people who are cheered on the high chairs, they are expert in these things, because nowadays all the countries, they are united, they are globalized, right? And if you are connected with the global world, then 101% you have to create good communication skill of mainly in English, because English is spoken all over the world. If you are standing on the world stage and you can't speak what you have in your heart, how can you convey your message? How can you promote your message? How can you present your message before others, right? So it is right time to groom your personality in English, to learn how to speak English, right? And you should apply all the ways. You should learn all the methods how you can make your English language a perfect language. Because sometimes you have more and more in yourself, but you are not able to express your language. And also one thing that's very important, right? Learn how to express yourself, never learn how to impress others. Learn English not to impress others, learn English to express in your heart what you have in your heart, what plannings you have. What is the blueprint of your career? What is the blueprint of your future? You can share with other people. दूसरों के साथ आप शेयर कर सकते हैं, right? तो thank you.